These are 7 top stocks in after hours with big percentage gains today. While watching bullish after hours price actions, let us inform you our review on IBG. Innovation Beverage Group Limited, the Aussie company known for its premium drinks like Elegance Vodka and Australia's Gin, just saw a huge 62% surge in its stock price after hours. That's a pretty massive jump, right? When a stock moves that much, it's usually a sign that something big is happening, whether it's a new deal, a partnership, or a product launch that's got investors buzzing. Looking at what the company's been up to, it's clear that they've got a strong portfolio in both the alcoholic and non-alcoholic space, and their focus on high-end products is paying off. Plus, with the expansion into the US, there's definitely room for growth. This kind of jump in price could mean the market's expecting big things from Innovation Beverage, and if it's based on solid news, it could signal even more momentum ahead. For anyone watching or thinking of investing, it's a good time to pay attention. The jump could be just the beginning of something exciting for the company. Our review on SBFM Sunshine Biopharma Inc, a company focused on life-saving drugs for cancer and viral infections, just reported a strong FY24 with $34.9 million in revenue, up from $24.1 million last year. This growth helped the stock jump 52% after hours. The company's got some exciting drug programs in the works, including treatments for liver cancer and SARS, which has investors buzzing. CEO Dr. Steve Slilaty is optimistic about reaching profitability soon and growing even more in the next few years. With solid revenue and a promising drug pipeline, Sunshine Biopharma is setting itself up for future gains. Investors are clearly excited about the potential here, and it's a company worth keeping an eye on. Our review on SPWH Sportsman's Warehouse Holdings Incorporated, an outdoor retailer specializing in camping, fishing, and hunting gear, just posted strong Q4 2024 results. The company beat expectations with adjusted earnings of 4 cents per share, a major turnaround from last year's loss of 20 cents. Sales of $340.4 million also topped estimates, though they were down 8.1% year over year. After hours, the stock jumped 51%, likely driven by the positive earnings surprise and a solid outlook for 2025. Sportsman's Warehouse expects modest revenue growth next year, with projections for adjusted EBITDA between $33 million and $45 million. They're also focusing on improving margins by managing expenses and refining their core product offerings. Prioritizing local relevance, particularly in hunting and fishing, will be key to achieving same-store sales growth in a challenging economic environment. Investors seem to be responding well to the company's forward-looking strategy, positioning itself for a solid 2025. Our review on DGLY, Digital Ally Incorporated, a company working across video solutions, healthcare, and entertainment, just hit a bit of a bump with a delay in filing its Form 10-K for the 2024 fiscal year. The delay is due to some unexpected issues with the audit process, but the company reassures investors that it doesn't expect major changes to its financial results compared to last year. While the delay might raise some eyebrows, it seems more like a procedural hiccup than a sign of bigger issues. Despite the filing delay, Digital Ally stock actually rose 38% after hours, suggesting that investors aren't too concerned. With a diverse revenue mix from video tech, healthcare services, and ticket brokering, the market clearly sees potential beyond the delay. Overall, while delays like this aren't ideal, it doesn't seem like Digital Ally's business is in trouble. If the financial results align with expectations, the momentum could continue. Definitely worth watching as the filing comes through. Our review on RSLS, ReShape Lifesciences Inc, a company focused on weight loss and metabolic health solutions, just announced a delay in filing its Form 10-K for 2024. The delay is due to the need for a bit more time to finalize financial statements and disclosures. However, the company has assured investors that it doesn't expect any significant changes to its financials compared to last year and plans to file within the 15-day extension period. Despite the delay, ReShape Lifesciences stock jumped 37% after hours, which suggests investors aren't too concerned. With products like the lap band system and Obalon balloon, the company is making waves in the weight loss space. The market seems confident in the company's ability to stay on track and deliver results. In short, while delays aren't ideal, ReShape Lifesciences appears to be in a strong position, and investors remain bullish on its future. If everything lines up as expected, we could see more positive momentum ahead. Our review on CYCU. Cycurion Incorporated, a cybersecurity company specializing in IT security solutions, announced a delay in filing its Form 10-K for 2024. The delay stems from the need to finalize financial statements after recent transactions, including a de-SPAC deal and another major move in late March. The company expects to file within the SEC's 15-day grace period and doesn't anticipate major financial changes from last year. Despite this, Cycurion stock jumped 33% after hours, showing investors aren't too concerned. With its ARCS platform and 24/7 security services, the company's offerings continue to gain traction. Cybersecurity remains a hot sector, and Cycurion's role in protecting digital assets keeps it well-positioned for future growth. While delays aren't great, Cycurion's strong cybersecurity focus and ongoing compliance efforts seem to be keeping investor confidence intact. The stock's movement suggests optimism about its future as the company navigates its next phase. Our review on TTEC. TTEC Holdings Incorporated, a global AI-driven customer experience company, just wrapped up its review of a $6.85 per share buyout offer from CEO Kenneth Tuchman. The board's special committee completed its valuation and is open to further talks if Tuchman moves forward with a firm offer. Founder-led buyouts often signal confidence in a company's future, and investors took notice. Tech stock shot up 24% after hours. With shares struggling in recent months, the market sees this as a potential turning point. Now, the question is whether Tuchman sweetens the deal or if another bidder emerges. Either way, this could shake things up for TTC. Investors will be watching closely. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.